Na kando na hayo, taifa limerekodi zaidi ya visa 10,000 vya mizozo ya binadamu na wanyamapori katika muda wa mwaka mmoja sasa, huku maeneo ya Tsavo, Mara, Kajiado na Laikipia yakishuhudia visa vingi vya mizozo hiyo. Kulingana na Wizara ya Utalii na Wanyamapori, mizozo hiyo imechangiwa na kufungwa kwa njia za wanyamapori, idadi kubwa ya wananchi kuhamia mijini, mabadiliko ya hali ya anga na hitaji la nyama ya wanyamapori. Hadi kufikia sasa, serikali imelipa fidia ya takriban shilingi bilioni 3.8, huku zaidi ya kesi 20,000 zikiwa hazijashughulikiwa tangu mwaka 2014.
The Director General, we are going to set up a committee to ensure the conduct of wildlife research in the country is approved more efficiently, faster, so that we are able to address the challenges of climate change, challenges of ensuring human-wildlife coexistence, provide information to address connectivity issues, provide information to inform where we can place infrastructure so that there's a balance between development and conservation. We have formally now released the parcels that the multi-agency team that had the National Land Commission, the AG, when we were delinking the parcels of land that we'll be using to promote research and training for the people of Kenya in the sector.
2 pieces of land in Malindi. We have given WRTI another huge piece of land in the Tsavo East National Park, where they are going to have their research station. And we have given them another piece of land in Nanyuki. The piece of land that is in Malindi will basically be used to set up the coastal region and marine research center. The land that we're giving them in the Tsavo, that will be solely for terrestrial research and grassland research. And the land that we're giving them in Nanyuki is going to be used for both terrestrial and the mountain research that will be happening in those areas. 75–80% of the visitors who come to this country through our own data collections have confirmed that.
Mamlaka ya barabara kuu nchini Kenya imetangaza